Ford Fiesta models, particularly those with manual or power shift transmissions from 2011 to 2018, often experience shifting problems. The three most common causes are clutch wear, transmission fluid degradation, and software glitches. Clutch wear in manual transmissions leads to slippage or grinding during gear changes. Automatic and dual clutch systems suffer from degraded transmission fluid, causing overheating and poor shifting performance. Software bugs in electronic control units result in erratic behavior, especially in power shift systems. Regular maintenance is key to preventing these issues. Addressing Ford Fiesta shifting problems involves several solutions. For clutch wear, repair or replace the clutch plate and flywheel. Consult a mechanic for diagnostics. Regular transmission fluid changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles prevent degradation and overheating. Software glitches can be resolved via transmission control module updates from Ford, including recalls and service campaigns. Adopting gentle shifting techniques, like avoiding abrupt throttle inputs, can mitigate wear. If problems persist, consult a professional mechanic for thorough diagnostics.